Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlock a Snapchat account if you have been permanently or temporarily blocked. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you were blocked in Snapchat, then watch the video to the end and we will solve this problem. So first of all, go to Snapchat. If you have been temporarily blocked, you should have a large unlock button that you click and maybe just confirm that this is your account or explain what the technical support requires of you. This happens due to suspicious activity or blocking of your device. So if you are blocked permanently, then go to Google browser and write Snapchat support. Click on the first link and scroll down, then select contact us, then choose the first option, I think my account has compromised. Next you will have a form to fill out, write your name, email to which you will receive a response and a phone number. Next, describe your problem in detail in the description and indicate that an error occurred, then click submit. After that, you need to wait for some time. Technical support will review your request and if you have not violated the Snapchat rules, they will return your account to you. That's how simple it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.